Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I do hair bleaching by using these three type of oxidant, 9%, 12% and then 6%. So now, you can see after my doing this, what is the result of hair bleaching using these three types of oxidants. So I have here three hairs. So I do this by bleaching. So I'm using this three type of oxidant, and this is a bleaching powder. And now, guys, if you want to know how to do a hair bleaching and what is the result if I using this three type of oxidant, so guys, let's jump to the video and watch for my vlog for today. So now I have here 3 balls. Every ball I putting 1 scoop of bleaching powder. So I have here I showing you fast few minutes. I have here a human hair. So the human hair color is a natural. Now I putting 9% and the one bleach powder. So the next using 6%, and now I'm using 12% for the last part of ball color black. So now before I applying this bleaching powder, so I do mix well before I applying this. So now I applying in the first part. This is first application of bleaching powder. By using 6%. Make sure that you go apply properly so the color is equally. So that's the 6% using by bleaching powder. So now I'm mixing on the next ball. This is bleach powder with oxidant 9%. So before I applying, I mix well. So now I applying this to second part. So that is bleaching powder with 9% oxidant. So now we on a third part. I'm mixing the bleaching powder with 12% oxidant. So it's I do applying for the last part of this bleaching powder with using 12%. So after that, after 45 minutes, I will be back and I will show you what's the result after this using 3 types of oxidant, 6% and 9%, and then 12%. So keep on watching. And now we already use a timer for this bleach application. So it's 45 minutes, so it's time for wash. And I do wash this hair bleaching powder on the hair. So I'll go back after this. We done our wash and blow dry for the hair. So this is the result of 6% bleaching when your hair is black. So the result is this one. This is bleaching and I use this 6%. So when you do this, this is the result of 6% when your hair is black. So this second is, this is hair bleaching. If your hair is black and you use 9%, so here is the result of bleaching from black hair to like this color. So I use this color of 9% with in bleaching. So here the third one, here is coming from black. When you do bleaching using 12%, here is the result. You can see the result. This is the result of hair bleaching using 12% if your hair is black. So here is the 12% and this is 9% and this is 6%. So when you see here in my catalog, so we see what is the color the same here. So I look at here where is the same color. When you do a hair bleaching, if your hair is black and you use 6% oxidant for bleaching, so the result is this one. If your hair is black and then you use 6% in your hair for bleaching, so the result is this one. You can see this is a blonde 7.0. So if your hair is black and you go a hair bleaching using 6%, so the result is this one. You can see this is a blonde, the result if you're bleaching using a 6%. If your hair is black and then you use for bleaching 9%, so if your hair is black and you go bleaching using a 9%, the result is here, gold blonde. This is a 6.33. So here is the result if your hair is black and then you go bleaching using a 9%. So it's become golden brown. Even you bleach your hair using a 12%. So here is if your hair is black and then you go for the hair bleaching using a 12%, the result is this one. So the result is seeing this as look alike this. It's a light gold blonde. So the result is a light gold blonde when you use a 12%. So you can see the different color if you use a different types of oxidant. So this is a 6% and this is a 9% and this one 12%. So this is the result of our first bleaching application. So you can see what happened in your black hair when you use this one. And now we are doing a second bleaching application. So I use same oxidant 6%, 9 and 12. So after this you can see what is the result for a second bleaching application. So I putting 6% on the blue ball. And then I putting 9% on the pink ball. And then a black ball I using also a 12%. Now I'm preparing for a second bleaching application. So before I applying the 6%, I mix well. And this time this is a second time application for bleaching. And after this I will show you what is the result if here is a double second application. So now I applying the 6% on the bleaching powder in the one part. So I also applying in the other side to spread equally the hair color of bleaching. So that's the 6% bleaching second application. And now we go back to a second part. This is a 9%. So I applied also this bleach powder using 9%. So same application, and timer is the same on the first application. I use 30 to 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes I go back again to show you what is the result if the second application for bleaching. So keep on watching. So now I go back to the third part. This is a second application using bleach powder and then 12%. So before I applying this bleach, I do mixing well. So now I applying this to this third part and the last part of here. So as you can see, same application, same oxidant. So that is second application of our bleaching process. And now it's time for wash. We already consume 45 minutes for second application. So now it's time for washing, and then after I wash I will be back again. So guys, you know why I'm speaking English today, because some of my viewers not only here in the Philippines, so I have a viewers from Pakistan, Bangladesh, India. So those country I think cannot understand Tagalog. So this time I'm trying to speak English so that my viewers can understand what I'm saying. But my English is not good, but I'm trying my best. So guys, we wash this one, and after this I will go back again to show you what is the result after a second application, bleaching. And now I do a hair blow drying for my second application for bleaching. So this is the result of 6% for second time application. So you can see this one. This is the color of 6% when you use a second application. So this is a 6%, and this one, this is a 9% when you do a second application for bleaching using a 9%. So this is the second result of a 9%. Yeah, this one. And the third one is, this is the result for a second bleaching application using a 12%. So guys, you can see the difference. So the difference is only a little. This is 6% and 9%, then a 12%. So guys, this is the final result our hair bleaching. So we compared to catalog what is the same color. This is the hair bleaching for second application using a 6% second application. The result is this one. See, same color. This one. This is 6% for my bleaching second application. Here is the result. This one. And for 9%, this is 9%, so we will find where is the same color here. So for my second application, is this the result for 9% for second bleaching application. In my catalog, the same color is compare this one. Here is the same color for my second application using a 9%. So the result from black hair, and then second application bleaching, this result is this one. You can see this is the result. So what is this intense very light blonde? So when your hair is black and doing bleaching for second application using 9%, so the result is this one. You achieve this one when your hair is black and then double bleaching application using a 9%. Is our 9%. You can see. And now we go on number 3. This is result of second application for bleaching. Using this hair 12%. This is second application for bleaching. Then using oxidant 12%. So I find here in our catalog that it's the same color. When you use for second application for bleaching using a 12%, so the final result is the same. This one, it's look like golden blonde. So the color of 12%. So this is the result of 12% second bleaching application. You can see blonde, gold. The result of 12% is a gold. This is a gold blonde. So the result is the same. This two. When you do a 12% second bleaching from black hair to this one. So this is the hair, and then using bleaching 12% and second application. So the color is same this one. So this is the 12% for double application. The result is this one. So guys, that's all. That's the final result for hair bleaching from black hair using 3 oxidant. And now when you do a bleaching, you can do what oxidant you want. So now you can see the result when you use 6%, 9%, and then 12%. So here is the 6% and then the 9%. So this one 12%. So guys, thank you for watching. If you're first time to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.